LVL beam supported by two steel poles supporting the bigger LVL beams, which is supporting the a chunk of the second floor plus the roof for this extension. And on the other side there's only one steel beam. So this is 4 LVL beams, 18 inches high, or wide, or high. But at the edge it's being cut down to 8 and 7 inches. It's holding up a lot of weight. As you can see, the original truss, open web truss, is sagging a little bit after they removed the supporting wall. So gives you indication how heavy this ceiling is and how much weight it's carrying. And right here they reinforce the existing, some of the existing truss with additional hangers. So here's all the recessed light. There's a fan mount. We're gonna have lights on there, so we don't need a light here. 3 windows there, 4 windows here, another 3 windows here. And this is skylight that's gonna go. There's gonna be 2 of them. It's gonna be one here and one over there. Oh no, actually, right here and right here. Of course, this is going to be where the sink is. Sink, dishwasher, stove. This marks the center island. And that's going to be the pendant light there. We might get rid of this wall, but more to come.